Dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Go once again faces the Senate as the chamber continues its probe into her alleged links to Philippine offshore gaming operators. For the details, our Chari Abarca is reporting live from the Senate. Chari?
Neil, today the Senate panel on women continued its probe into Alice Go's alleged pogo ties. The investigation ran for nearly 6 hours. It covered the depth and breadth of Go's pogo ties as well as her escape from the Philippines. The biggest revelation made during the hearing was that a former PNP chief was allegedly bribed to help Go and her siblings escape from the country despite being under an immigration lookout bulletin. According to PAGCOR Senior Vice President Raul Villanueva, PAGCOR received information that a former PNP chief allegedly received bribes. Senator Risa Ontiveros asked Villanueva what kind of assistance the PNP personnel provided to Go, but Villanueva said he couldn't confirm the information. Another highlight of the hearing was Go's admission that she signed the last page of her counter affidavit on the human trafficking complaint filed against her before she fled the country. The complaint was filed by the Department of Justice. Go's counter affidavit was dated August 14, days after she fled the Philippines on July 18. Senators also grilled Sual, Pangasinan Mayor Dong Kalugay, who is Go's alleged lover. Kalugay denied having a romantic relationship with Go. He also denied having business dealings with Go despite evidence pointing that they have at least 5 businesses. However, Senator Ontiveros presented information suggesting that Go and Kalugay may have a love child together. Senators also quizzed Sheila Go, who was earlier tagged as Alice's sister, Cassandra Ong, the alleged business associate of Alice, and Catherine Salazar, the ousted mayor's secretary. Neil, before the hearing was suspended, Senator Ontiveros reminded Alice Go that the committee has not lifted its contempt citation against her. This means that the panel will request the Valenzuela court to allow Go to appear in the Senate hearing again. Back to you, Neil.
Chari, I believe ito yung pang-13 na hearing ng Senado regarding dito sa issues hounding former Bamban Mayor Alice Go, no? Ano yung end goal na nakikita dito ng Senado? How long will these hearings continue?
Neil, sa ngayon wala pa tayong balita kung how long magra-run itong proceedings o yung pagdinig ng Senado patungkol sa kaso ni Alice Go. Pero malinaw na gustong mapanagot ng mga senador itong si Bamban Mayor Alice Go at yung mga tinatawag na kakonsyaba niya dito sa mga alegasyon na kinakaharap nila, kabilang na yung human trafficking.
Dun sa latter part ng report mo, no, na-mention mo yung reminder from Senator Hontiveros na yung contempt order against Alice Go is still in place. So saan ngayon nagsistay si Alice Go?
Neil, if you can recall, nag-issue kasi ng arrest order yung Tarlac Court against ex-Bamban Mayor Alice Go, and available kasi itong arrest order na ito, and if you can also recall, hindi kasi nag-post ng bail itong si Alice Go. So ang nag-take ng custody niya is yung PNP. So ngayon nasa PNP custodial facility siya, and doon pa rin siya nananatili. Doon siya dumating after ng Senate hearing.
Chari, matanong ko na rin, no, since we're talking about the end goal of the Senate dito sa mga hearings na ito, are they eyeing to file charges once everything's said and done, no? Natapos na itong mga hearings. Nagpaplano ba mag-file ng charges itong Senado, or perhaps recommend the filing of charges against the individuals na makikitang involved dito sa iba't ibang issues na ito? Nandiyan na yung Pogo issue. That's number 1. Nandiyan na rin yung paano nakalabas si Alice Go ng bansa. I believe they are also investigating that. Tama ba, Chari?
Yes, Neil, correct ka. For sure, masasama to sa committee report na inihahanda ng Senate Panel on Women na pinangungunahan ni Senator Ontiveros. And sa ngayon, Neil, wala pa kasing concrete na balita tungkol sa ano yung specifically inaay ng Senate regarding this. But for sure, Neil, may isasama to.
Another question, Chari, pwede pa natin i-clarify kung paano nadawit dito sa issue na ito si Sual Mayor?
Neil, nauna kasing ni-raise ni Senate President Pro Tempore Jinggoy Estrada yung alegasyon na itong si Sual, Pangasinan Mayor Dong Kalugay is in a relationship daw with Alice Go. And Neil, dito sa pagdinig ng Senado kung saan humarap itong si Kalugay ay dininay niya na karelasyon niya daw si Alice. And ganun din naman si Mayor Alice na nauna na niya ng dinenay. Ang sabi ni Kalugay is magkaibigan lamang sila.
Shari, now let's look at what's going to happen next. Kailan yung susunod na hearing at ano yung inaay na i-discuss doon sa bagong hearing na yun? Especially now, you mentioned na mayroong mga bagong details na na-unveil in today's hearing. Nandyan yung mayroon daw na dawit na ex-PNP chief, no, na you mentioned in your report. So will they be tackling that in the next hearing?
Yes, Neil. For sure, matatakal itong bagong revelasyon na meron daw iniimbestagahan ang PAGCOR na merong maaring involved na former PNP chief or former PNP personnel na naka-receive ng bribe para makalabas ng bansa si Mayor Alice Go at yung mga kakonsyaba niya na sina Sheila Go and Wesley Go. Pero Neil, wala pa kasing balita sa Senate Panel on Women kung kailan yung next na hearing ng komite.
Last question ko na lang, Shari, no? When these things are mentioned, kapag may mga ganitong information na nilalapag dito sa Senado, particularly itong involvement daw ng isang former PNP chief, as you know, one of the senators, si Senator Bato de la Rosa, is a former PNP chief himself. Does he have anything to say about this matter? Meron ba siyang impormasyon na maaaring maibigay regarding this?
Neil, sa katunayan, nilinaw lang ni Senator Bato de la Rosa kanina na hindi siya yung tinutukoy na PNP chief, former PNP chief na involved dito sa Pogo, link kay Alice Go. Pero wala siyang naibulgar, Neil, tungkol dito sa alegasyon na to.
Pero nilinaw agad, no, ni Senator na hindi siya ang tinutukoy
Yes,
na ex-PNP chief dito sa revelasyon na ito sa Senado ngayong araw. Okay, maraming salamat at Shari Abarca reporting live from the Senate.